Hi, this is Alan from Ripperden Resources LLC. And today I want to announce our latest product, and that is Packout and Wall mounts for the Milwaukee 0887-20 Precision Blower. We will offer the mounts in our standard colors in red and black. Our wall mounts will also be offered in red and black. Our Packout mount fits onto the Packout wall plate simply by pushing it into place and dropping it down. To remove it, you simply push in on the securing tabs, lift up and pull out. Our mounts provide space for the nozzles. We have storage for 3 nozzles on top and on the bottom. To install the nozzle onto the mount, simply find the rectangular section of the nozzle and place it onto the mount and secure it into place. To install the blower, simply remove the nozzle, secure it into place, and push the blower onto the mount. You'll see that it's secured onto the mount. To remove the blower from the mount, simply push up and pull out. The wall mount works exactly the same way as the Packout mount. The only difference is that we have 2 mounting holes, one here on top and one here at the bottom, that will accept a number 10 or a 5mm fastener. We have these in stock and ready to ship, and you can get yours today at ripperdenresources.com. At Ripperden Resources LLC, we bring your vision into reality with precision 3D scanning, advanced 3D design and modeling, and high-performance 3D printing. From concept to production, we work with materials ranging from consumer grade to ultra-high performance and flame retardant filaments. If you want to bring your additive manufacturing capabilities in-house, we sell professional 3D scanners, high-temperature printers, and filaments. Contact us today on our website, ripperdenresources.com. Email us at info@ripperdenresources.com. Or call us today at 940-273-9713.